Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Grey Zone Warfare. Today we've got a couple of tasks lined up. First is Little Bird Down, where we need to investigate a crashed chopper and locate its crew. The second objective is to eliminate 10 enemies in the area. Along the way, we might pick up a few more tasks as they unlock. So let's get started.
Raven, wheels up for base camp. Go, go, go!
We are in the landing zone. Our gear looks good. We'll move carefully. No need to rush now. We will move towards the objective where we can find a crashed chopper.
I'm at the crash site. Seems like the chopper is destroyed. Let's inspect this.
Alright, Handshake is asking me to find out the crew members. We will investigate the area and try to find out what happened with the crew. There were few enemies in this location. I think the area is clear now. The chopper's crew members were died here. We will report this back to Handshake and the objective will complete.
Hey, gorgeous you! Quick reminder, you are amazing. You are unstoppable. And grab that coffee, grab that confidence, and let's keep it
We have another task lined up. Secret compression. We need to find a truck containing medical supplies and transfer the medical boxes to different locations. There are two huts nearby. We need to deliver those med boxes.
I have got the package. Now I have to deliver these to those two locations. Seems like the huts are guarded by few enemies. I need to be extra careful.
I completed this task as well. I have placed the medical boxes into those baskets as instructed. I think this is a good place to wrap things up. We'll pick up the next task in the upcoming episode and continue right from here. Thanks for watching and have a great day.